हेलो एवरीवन। आज के इस होम डेकोर के ब्लॉग में मैं आपको मिलाऊंगी एक बहुत ही फोकस्ड, डिटरमिन्ड और एक इंस्पायरिंग पर्सनालिटी से। ये एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल करियर काउंसलर हैं जिन्होंने काफी बच्चों को सही करियर चुनने में बहुत हेल्प की है। इनके होम डेकोर में इन्हीं की पर्सनालिटी की एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत झलक देखने को मिलती है। तो चलिए चलते हैं इनके घर के अंदर।
Hi Wanderlust and Decor. I'm Komal. Welcome home. So this is the entrance area. As you know, most of our Fauji concerts, we get very different kinds of places which we do not know how to decor. So I put up my favorite painting, the ship, which has been painted. One of our unit officers has done it, and then I put in some few artifacts just to make sure that this area looks a little bit lively. So you can see I've got my Buddha, a small little treasure chest, and this is something from Dubai, the Seven Sands. And here's one of my farewell gifts that I've just put up this side. So come on in, I'll show you some more. So let me just show off one piece that I love the most in the living room area, which is my crockery cupboard. And as you can see, everything fits in perfectly well. Got my books, the glasses, my blue pottery, all my serving dishes are over here. And it's very nicely done. It was tailor made at Jodhpur. That was where we were posted earlier. And we got all these items placed together. So this is very nicely done by them. This is my blue wall. It's a collection of all the pottery across the world. So I've got Goa, I've got Portugal, I've got Turkey, and these are few photographs done by a professional photographer, again one of our unit officers. This side there's some creativity with the fan. The fan is from Italy, from Venice. These are the ladies that make this by hand, this lace, and it's very unique actually. So I always like to place it amongst my blue theme. So as you went around the house a little bit, so let me tell you something about me, right? You know my name, so I'm Komal Farwaha. I am an entrepreneur. I am into career counseling, helping students from class 8th right up to not only college, not only masters, right up to where you want to make your choice in your career. I do a career analysis, helping you to understand about what type of career streams that you can actually choose properly, doing college applications, India and abroad, and many more things that help you actually to take it further, like your student profile building, SOPs, LORs. We work that out. So if you see, my home is actually a reflection of me and my work, and that's how I always like it to be. And these lovely high chairs are the stalwarts of this area, and they really bring a kind of a royal feeling, a very tall kind of a feeling, that where you would enjoy to be seated. And what more can I say? You need to sit over here to understand it. Okay, so let's focus on my curtains. I love tall curtains, especially when they hide up most of your wall. And the funny part, when I bought this, I only bought this first. I love the lace curtains because they give a nice kind of a feminine touch, and it makes you feel more like an English kind of a feeling. And because I bought this, I had to match the other. So I dragged my husband right up to IKEA, and then we went and bought these curtains, which you see are the matching ones next to it. So that's how this set actually got made. Piece of handicraft is on a cloth, and this is from Barmer. Actually, Chotan. Chotan is the mecca of handicrafts, and you can see each patchwork has been joined with one another to create this kind of a design. So every piece is separate. It's not a single piece. So like you see this embroidery, this one here, this, they all are separate. So putting it together This is the traditional handicraft of Chottan. You find this at various hotels, you'll find them in lovely lobbies of five-star places. It's one of a kind, including the frame. The frame is also done up now. So this is my TV console. Again, I've decorated it with my favorite items that are from Portugal. You can see the blue pottery vase, the plate.
Until now, we have seen that Komal is boss in her career and stylish in decor. But how spontaneous is she? Let's find out in this most awaited round of My Home Tour vlogs, which is Rapid Fire Round. So thank you so much, Komal, for opening your house to the viewers.
Thank you so much. But I'm absolutely a little bit jittery about your rapid
So
fire.
I'm quite confident. I'm sure you will give me on-point answers. Okay, so shall we start with the first question?
Let's begin.
All right. First question is, one corner of your home you would never compromise on.
My living room.
Open shelves or hidden storage? What's your pick?
I like open shelves.
If work gave you a good bonus, would you spend it on a designer bag or a designer sofa?
That's a very complicated answer. I am not into bags, even though I do love them. So I would rather go for a designer sofa.
Oh, why not? That'll add to your decor as well.
Yeah.
Do you like working under warm yellow lights or bright white lights?
Bright white lights.
Office desk decor must have candle, photo frame or plant?
Photo frame.
Which color feels more career woman to you? Wine, beige or green?
Green. Yeah.
Okay, so which decor item has CEO vibes? A sleek desk, a statement chair or mood lighting?
Mood lighting.
If your career was a wall color, would it be white classic, grey serious or yellow bold?
Bold. I'm going for the bold.
Alright. What's more stressful, office deadlines or choosing curtains?
Definitely it's office.
Obviously,
All
yeah,
the way through.
because that's your future, of course.
Yeah.
That lies on that.
Actually.
Okay. So thank you so much, Komal. That's all for the rapid fire round.
Thank you. I'm glad I did well.
Of course you did. We all enjoyed your answers. Thank you so much, Komal, for showing your house to the viewers. And I'm sure they are taking away some points to decor their home as well.
This was amazing. It was lots of fun.
All thanks to you.
Thank you.
And in the end, I got something special for you. I hope that will add a little essence to your home decor.
That's so sweet.
I hope you can add this to your collection of plants.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
This matches so well. Thank you so much.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the rapid fire round. But don't go anywhere. We are yet to see Komal's decor collection all the way from South Africa.
So here are some wooden artifacts. The first one is from South Africa. The second one you can see is a plate from Hawaii. And this is from Asmara, Eritrea, Ethiopia. And the other mask which you see towards the corner, which you must focus, is got a lovely mandala art, self-inscribed, again from South Africa. Okay, so this is my husband's favorite area. He chose this lamp. He wanted to give it a kind of a highlight, so that's why it's right up there. And as you come a little bit down, you'll be able to see the ostrich eggs. These are very rare. Most of the time in South Africa, when you buy them, they're of different designs. They're never the same. And this highlights the entire bar actually. This is the head of the bar. So how do you like my bar? Wow! Not my bar, actually our bar, I should say that. Obviously, creativity is mine, but insights are from my husband. You can see the favorite stuff that he's got. Again, these are glasses from South Africa with the local beer. We had gone to the brewery over there, and you can see the names of the beers over that. This is the Big Five, again shot glasses. And here's the Castle icebox. And this entire design, again, it's from Jodhpur. we wanted to match it with the crockery cupboard. So you can see all of these things. So let's give you a sneak peek. You can see that this fits in all types of liquor. So whether you want to put in your breezers, your wines, the whiskies, everything fits in very, very well. It's designed that way. Now, this bottle is one of a kind, Mohan Meckins. I'm not sure whether it was a rum or a whiskey that we used to fill in this, but definitely it's one of our favorite pieces that we like to put out. As you see, this is like the African theme of this area, and this is a patchwork which the ladies make over there in villages. This is what I have picked up, and to match this area I've got my lovely black and silver curtains that give a very standout. We drink and we enjoy with our friends together here. So here are my powerful black beauties that enhance the decor of the dining area. This is the Venetian mask, and this was bought in Italy, obviously Venice. And it's a very interesting thing because we didn't have money to wear costumes for the carnival, and we went home back with a mask of remembrance. Alright, so this is the favorite fridge magnets. You can see they're across the world, they are from different places. Some of them are just for decor, or some of them are from restaurants also. And a little bit of a highlight, you can see on the other side of my fridge, the other magnets have got our photographs. The way it looks so colorful.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग टिल हियर। आपको इस इतने सुंदर से घर में सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा, कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताएं। मिलते हैं फिर से एक और नए ब्लॉग के साथ जो ट्रैवल या डेकोर का होगा। Until then, stay happy and stay safe.